Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of life on the road as a semi-truck driver. It's a journey full of highs, lows, and everything in between. So buckle up and let's hit the road. First, let's talk about the freedom. There's nothing quite like the open road stretching out before you. You're the captain of your own ship, deciding when to stop, when to go, and which route to take. It's a lifestyle that offers a unique sense of independence. But it's not all sunshine and smooth highways. Long hours are part of the package. Imagine driving for up to 11 hours a day, with only short breaks in between. It takes a toll on your body and mind. You have to stay alert at all times, because the safety of yourself and others depends on it. Then, there's the solitude. It can get lonely out there. Sure, you have your CB radio and sometimes a co-driver, but much of the time it's just you and the hum of the engine. That's why many truckers find solace in podcasts, audiobooks, or even just the rhythm of the road. Let's not forget the unpredictable weather. From blizzards in the north to torrential rains in the south, you have to be prepared for anything. It requires skill and experience to navigate through these conditions safely. On the flip side, there's a strong sense of camaraderie among truckers. You'll often find them helping each other out at truck stops, sharing tips and stories. It's like being part of a big, extended family. Plus, there's the joy of discovering new places. Every day is different, taking you to small towns, big cities, and scenic landscapes. You get to see parts of the country that many people never do. And finally, there's a great sense of accomplishment in delivering your load on time, knowing you're a vital part of keeping the economy moving. It's incredibly rewarding. So, life on the road as a truck driver is a mixed bag. It's challenging and demanding, but also full of freedom and adventure. If you're up for it, it can be one of the most satisfying careers out there. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this look into the life of a truck driver, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep on trucking.